What's up, guys? Blue Moon Mining here. Um, how's everyone doing? I'm doing pretty good myself. So today's video is a little bit different. It's not really like my update videos. I will try and give you guys some updates, but what this video is going over is that I may be 100% going to create that Asic cleaning business. I just have to register an LLC and all sorts of other stuff. Once I did all the I've did all the research and stuff I need to do. It's not going to cost too much money to start the business up, especially for the materials that I'm gonna need. So I might be doing this. It's almost 100%. Um, Sadly, my dad said he won't be getting that shed until spring, their next spring. So I'll have to find a different location to work out of because I don't want to have all that dust and stuff floating around in my apartment. So I might just rent out a storage unit for a little while and use that as the home base, which will give me a lot more room to store ASIC miners and all that stuff for anyone who wants to send me some. But yeah, I want to do this. I want to start this business up because, I've always wanted to own my own business for many years, and I never really knew what business I could create. But, ever since I got into crypto mining, it just kind of popped out there. It's just like, I don't see anyone else wanting to clean their ASICs, and I don't see anyone creating a business to clean up people's ASICs. Or just mining rigs in general. Like, people just let them get dirty and they don't clean them very often, but when they do clean them, they kind of procrastinate. They're just like, I'll do it tomorrow, or I'm too busy to do it today. So why not just have a service that will do it for you? And I'm not gonna charge no ridiculous amount of money for it, because I'm not I'm not that kind of guy. It's just a little side gig, basically. It's just a little something to help me get money and stuff. And of course, the funds that I get from that business will be going towards keeping the business running and expanding my farm. And so it's kind of like it's a win-win situation. People people get some clean mining rigs and clean ASIC miners, and I get more things to mine with. So I think it's pretty cool. It will help me out, but I would have to do all the fun behind the scenes stuff, like making a website and registering it and all that fun jazz. But I can't complain about it. It's something I want to do, and I saw the support in the last video. People think it's a good idea, and I really like the support for that. I know I do understand that graphics card cleaning may be a little bit iffy for some people. They're a little bit more sensitive than an ASIC miner. Um, but I'm not gonna be hard on the devices. Trust me. I've cleaned my own devices, and they still work. I'm pretty gentle with them because I don't want to damage them. It's making me money. Why would I want to damage something that's making me money? So I would take very good care of other people's mining rigs. Don't worry. And I will have insurance and stuff in case something does happen. And of course, because I would be a business, if something does go wrong, I'll probably, in the future, I would probably have partnerships to get replacement parts and stuff in case something goes wrong. But right now, I'm a small little channel. Nothing much going on with me. The only thing I can do, if you guys do want to support the channel before any business goes up or any of that, I do have affiliate links with Jingle Mining, Belay Mining, Crypto Miner Bros. I also have the meter box, but I don't know how much longer I'll keep the meter box. I do like their products, but I don't think I like Jingle Mining. They got all their jazz miners and stuff. Here, I actually have the website open because I was looking at this because I want to get the X4Q. It's a little server thing. I've been getting a lot of details about it, so it's a pretty sick miner. It's nothing like these bad boys right here. These things will probably make your eardrums burst after a while, but this thing's dead quiet and it's very efficient. So I've been looking into this. It is fucking $7,400, which is a lot. I don't personally have that much money, but I do have ways I could get that money, such as taking out a loan or something. And taking out a loan for something like this, that basically just pays the loan off itself. It's kind of neat. Because if I take out a loan, I'd probably be paying, if I take out an $8,000 loan for that, because it'll probably be around $8,000 to buy it. Take out an $8,000 loan, probably pay about $120 a month. If I go over to Asic miner value, this thing is getting Jazz miner right there. It's getting about $10.97 a day. Let's put my electric rate in there, 16. I'll be making around $300 a month. So yeah, this thing would basically just pay itself off with that. So if I take out a loan, it would just pay itself off, and I'll even get to keep a little bit of money on the side. So that's neat. So I may be doing that. I have been talking to one of the guys over at Jingle Mining about it, getting all the information I can about it before I decide if I want to make a big purchase like that. It'd probably be the biggest purchase I've ever made in my life. It would be the biggest purchase I ever made in my life, because I haven't bought a house yet. But yeah, so I have an affiliate link with Jingle Mining. It will get you guys a discount if you use it. Pretty sure I got a discount code too. I'm not 100% sure. It'll be in my description below. So if you guys want a discount at Jingle Miner or any of the other affiliate links I have, it will help support me, and it will get you a little percentage off. I don't know how much those discounts are for. I'm a proud affiliate. Okay, I like to support mining companies because, well, I'm a crypto miner. I haven't been one for very long. I know I'm very small still, but I still... Oh, holy crap. Speaking of the person from Jingle Mining, I just got a message on Twitter from them. But yeah, I believe I'm gonna go 100% with this business. I really wanna do it. Red Panda Mining, please don't send me all your rigs at once if you want me to clean. You have so many different things to clean, it would probably take me weeks to do it. I mean, if you sent all your Asic miners, it wouldn't be too bad, because what do you have? Oh wait, never mind, because you have all those mini Asics too. Shit. God. You have a lot of shit, Red Panda Mining. I mean, I would do it, and I would even give you a discount, because you're the guy, you're the main man. I've been watching you since day one of me crypto mining, so... Well, actually, I was watching you before I started getting into crypto mining, because I saw one of your videos pop up long ago, and I was like, oh, this looks interesting, and you had that charisma. You're like, man, he really makes me want to just mine Ethereum right now. Always energetic. I love to see it. I still gotta watch your video from yesterday. I woke up late, but I'm kind of rambling on now. But yeah, I think I'm going to go 100% into that business. Again, if you guys want to support the channel and get a little discount on any miners you're looking for, go check out my affiliate links. It also help put money towards starting this business for anyone who wants to help support the business, and eventually when the business starts up. But yeah, in the comments, I need names. I need names. What do you guys think I should call this business? I kind of also need it to register an LLC. I need the name of the business. So I'll give you guys probably got probably about a month to come up with some names and stuff, because it does take a long time to get all these all this shit processed. So yeah, I can't load this for... Oh, now it loads. Okay. I'm also mining Ethereum, getting paid on Bitcoin, as everyone knows. Same old, same old. But before we go, let's check out profitability on a 3070, 91 cents. Excellent. On a 6700 XT, you're looking at 70 cents. So I know it was kind of quick, but this video I wanted to at least update you guys with what's going on. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys are here to support me on my endeavors here, my crypto mining journey, and hopefully soon enough to be a crypto business journey. Because I want to take you guys along the whole entire thing, and maybe one day my kid or something will take over the channel. But I ain't giving up on you guys. I'm gonna keep mining, and anyone who also mines along with the channel, I hope your mining is going well. Hi, Red Panda Mining. I know you watch my videos, and I appreciate it. I watch your videos every day too. I watch all these other guys' videos, but yeah, that's me rambling again. Have a good one. Subscribe if you guys want to see more, I guess. Or at least like the video. I'm just kidding. You guys don't have to do that. I'm trying to sound like one of the big YouTubers now. Alright, peace out.